This how to 1 minute will show you how to fix image upload issue in WordPress. During uploading an image, if you're facing any issue, follow this easy and step-by-step guide to fix it. First of all, you have to open your cPanel. Once you are in your cPanel, open File Manager and navigate to your website folder and open WP Content folder. Now right click on Uploads and click on Change Permissions. Here type 744 into the number value box and check the box next to the option Recurs into subdirectories and then click on Change Permission. And after following this solution, now you should be able to upload images on WordPress. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe How to 1 Minute. See you in the next video.